Hello, and welcome back to the Bazaar. Today we're going in with Dooley, our little robot friend, and we're gonna see what we can do here. Usually start with the core with Dooley. We have not tried. I think we tried most of these. I like the companion core. It's kind of just positioning doesn't matter. It's kind of straightforward. Rear shielding or left-handed are both good. I'm gonna take left-handed. Rear shielding. There's a lot of shield friends for Dooley, but I feel like a more aggro start might be good here.
Big bargains.
No friends. Duct tape's good. Ugh, this isn't much of a board, so I think we lose to these guys. Maybe Bananimal? Bananimal? Could maybe get an upgrade to our duct tape here. Storm should finish him off for us, and then we'll have to see if we can find some friends. It's a little bit difficult to force a build, but we'll see. Maybe we can go for there's some interesting builds with like Race Carl, one of the friends, or maybe a shield scaling build. We'll see what we. All right, we got a banana.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you?
Ooh, pulse rifle's good.
If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Pulse rifle is good. I wonder if we take poison. Well, we don't have poison, but keep it on the bench. I think we run this. It makes use of our left-handed, and our core is a friend, so we get the triple hit. This is decent. He has a lot of shielding. I don't know if we win. I don't think we win this. Yeah. We don't have enough of a build yet. Our core is really not doing anything. It's just giving us the triple proc, but that on its own is not good enough to beat this. I mean, the Pygmalion here is that's a good starting hand. So. Fair enough. What else we got? Haste, Shadowed Cloak. That's interesting. Friend? We want friends. Alright. When you haste poison. And I believe Shadowed Cloak hastes the item to the right. This poisons when we haste, and it's got it makes use of our skill down there. So if do we run coreless? This is I think this is actually pretty good. I think we'll see it in action here in a second.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back.
Oh, nice. We'll take an upgrade. I think we can handle the hardest fight. Oh my goodness, look how fast it's going. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, we could handle the hardest fight for sure. Alright, well. There's that. We're kind of looking for friends still. Like a first Aiden would be good. Weapons. We're not gonna find first Aiden here, but
You'll be
fine.
back with bruises.
Maybe we can get right-handed? No. Poison's not bad. Crit's not bad either. But I think that a lot of our damage is coming from our poison right now. Actually, it's kind of a mix, to be fair. The pulse rifle is hitting pretty hard. Alright, you also have a pulse rifle, but mine is better. Bang. Actually, I don't think our poison is doing... I think our pulse rifle is just like firing so fast. And it's also scaling its damage with each shot, so... poison... Loot items... Might be loot items. Loot items kind of gives you a chance of... Yeah, we got some cooldown, and we got our poison. So you literally don't get punished. If you get lucky with your roll, it's kind of like rolling the dice, right? Small items, we could find our...
You can't afford it.
Hayden. Hasten.
Whoever said money can't buy class had neither.
That's a good friend to run. Yeah.
Discounts for peace.
Upgrade. Sell this, give the core crit chance. Batteries. Interesting. Upgraded battery is pretty strong. Don't know if we can use it here. We can't run another friend. If we run another friend, then we lose out on the triple hit. Because the pulse rifle only likes a single friend. So what do we run here? So we can't... It needs to be next to a friend. So we kinda... We'll have to move this around in a minute. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Not ideal, but we get more haste this way. Duct tape's not gonna fire that frequently just yet, but the pulse rifle is messing with this all minion build, but it's just so good to. We have to keep it in currently. It's kind of carrying us, so. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. And dead. It's so good. Oh, even more haste. Well then. Let's see what poison skills we got. Leftmost, rightmost, slowest. We've already got leftmost. Maybe we do silver. So. Upgrade the core. Upgrade the core. I feel like we're gonna put it in soon. Might be now. Or do we run with the space here? We lose one shot on our pulse rifle, but we gain potentially 2 items that could give us haste. Bomb squad could give us haste, and core could give us haste. On either side of it. No, yeah. This could charge it so we get more haste. Meh. This is more poison. See how it works. I mean, that was good. That was for sure good. Don't know. I know that Mountain Pass, you can get Econ or you can fight here. We take the fight. What do we get? Burn. I don't think we have anything that can leverage burn, unfortunately.
Why fight the inevitable?
Yeah. Yeah. Target bars, weapons.
Few warriors live.
I'm trying to think what weapons would we
Buy my
want.
weapons, and you might
I don't think we really use this. Chris Army Knife.
use it well.
Good.
Make me proud.
It's a small friend. Boiler Room Brawler is just good for the items that he has and the passives that he has. Yeah. Another friend.
Some people just need a good whack. Hey,
Yep.
what's one more scar?
This is really powerful with the pulse rifle and the cloak. Really good. Well, would have liked a hammer or something, but that's fine. Crit chance, tool, max health. So the poison can crit, which is interesting.
You're huge. Do you have any huge?
We have a lot of bronze items, so let's see. Batteries, good one. What else we got? We'll take the crypto.
Grand Society of blah blah blah. Bye.
Wallace is a small friend, but he's really slow. Look at the docks. Can we get an off-spec tool? We can, but that's not going to help us, I don't think. Alright. BTK box. What you got? I don't know what this is. It's a single weapon build, but you're also poisoning and slowing. But you're not doing any of it. I mean, we nearly lost to it, to be fair. So it was close. Gold tier items would be a big upgrade, but I don't know if we can. I think there's 16. I think we're gonna go. Oh, there we go. We got our upgrade. Small items, we can find some more friends. There we go. Oh, upgraded again. Alright. First aid in. That's just an upgrade. It's faster. And he does stuff when we haste. What else we got? Ray. I don't think this is the Ray build. Mod Squad, 3 experience, we should level up from this. We can get upgrades to First Aid in, Chris Army Knife. There's also the passive that he has for friends. Bulldozer, I don't think... Yeah, okay. I don't think we're gonna run this. It's just... It's very big. Great Lepos item. I think we upgrade the cloak? Or... a monitor lizard, gradient core. I wonder if the core goes up to 2 charge per friend. This could be the call. I'm not sure, so we'll find out. That gives us more haste currently, so it's not too bad. Friend items. Don't know if we're running Bomb Squad. We may as well upgrade him for right now, just in case. Actually, yeah, with the haste like this, we will be faster. Yeah. Balloon bot? Don't think so. I feel like fight a monster is always the way to go here, because when you fight a monster, you get money, you get experience, and you get an item. Oh, it's this guy again. Oh, his portrait's bugged. Okay.
You have made your decision. Shield your fate.
Very good. Crypto, sell that.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
Alright. He's got a shield. He does have a really strong soak there. He's done a lot of buy sell. Oh, the timing is tough. The silk hits just before his shield.
Well, I'll admit,
But not enough.
impressive.
It's the benefit of poison builds is that they go right through the shield. And a mix like this where we deal some damage, some poison, we at least break his shield a bit. Oh, burn items.
There's a little fire in everyone. I can make it hotter.
Fiery microdave, I'm guessing it's just more burn. Soldering gun.
Farewell.
Multicast is good for charging cores. So if we ran... We wouldn't be benefiting from the increase in damage, but we would be benefiting from the haste. It's a lower cooldown. Sorry, it's a longer cooldown. It's 5 seconds, not 2.8. We could try it and see how this works.
I would
Some
never debase my
items.
worth by haggling.
Haste the core. Walter Cooler. I feel like it's a bit late for Walter Cooler. He's good, but
You're a smart one for your size.
maybe if he was not bronze. Okay, let's see if we get 2 charge on the core. Nope. Okay. So only the haste goes up, which is fine. Fair enough. Alright, Infernal. So we haven't got as much damage here. We should have more haste, because we got more friends. And more multicast. Yeah, that's more poison for sure.
Defeated nothing. I am eternal.
I mean, I still like the pulse rifle. Like, it just feels better to have both damage types going, and it scales good too. Let's see. Crit. Maybe we can get an off-spec tool here. Lighter. It's a tool. I don't think it's really fast, but I don't think we can run it. Yeah. All right. Regulus. What you got, Regulus? You have a combat core. A fairly weak pulse rifle. You got some good shielding, but we poison. Yeah, and we kind of break your shield too, but eventually his shield was going to outscale our damage, in which case the poison would have just finished him off. Okay, so we could do, I think, loot items. Or the, yeah, loot items, I think. Oh, we got the poison anyways. And some extra gold. Might save this for this guy. Yep. Just in case we ever use the duct tape. Duct tape's just like a really good, versatile weapon. Sorry, item.
I'm so fast, I'm living in your future. No,
Oh, there's an
tell you
upgrade.
what happens.
Good deal. Motherboard. Mr. Snail over there. I feel like we could run Mr. Snail if we got... There's a large item where if you it slows, and then when you slow haste, it's got like passive effect to it. Really low cooldown. That could make the snail work.
You need to do anything you want.
We've just got so much haste set up already
Always
here
that
that
tool
it
you
doesn't
thought
make
you'd never need
sense.
that ends up saving your butt.
Doesn't make sense to switch. So we got even more haste now. Hmm. Alright. Do we keep it as is? We could haste the core, haste the adjacent item. And we can do the triple proc could work if we use it with like a duct tape or something. We kind of have to use him with Chris Army Knife. Actually, we don't have to, but Chris Army Knife is a good friend. It's a friend and a tool. We could do probably hardest fight here. That's 5. Takes us. We'll gain a level before the player fight. I don't know if this will be an easy fight, because he does, I believe he cleanses his poison when he gets revived. Unless I'm misremembering. I got first aid and he's working overtime. Yeah, poison got cleansed there. I think it's okay. Yeah, he's down to... Yeah. Good deal. Alright. I don't think we'll be running this. Kind of an RNG play. Friendship is magic. Take some core cooldown. Docs is just so fun. What do we get? I don't think we're running that either, but take it.
How do you hugelings use
It's some
these
econ, if nothing else. Can upgrade our battery. Takes it to 3
things?
charge.
So I can buy things. Huge things.
Alright. Alright. I feel like the pulse rifle's not gonna be long. Not gonna be with us much longer. Let's see, God, he's running a similar build, but with slow instead of haste. And it's definitely slow instead of haste. Do. Okay. Medium items, we could fish for upgrades.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation.
Do we upgrade this? I feel like no. I feel like no. Dianosaur is interesting, but Microdave. We do have a lot of small items.
I used to offer a free ride home.
We'll take him and see.
Thought it was weird.
Make deals, not war.
We kind of have a lot of our builds set up to do poison. Like a lot of our passives increase the poison damage that we deal, so we'll take a GPU. It's kind of difficult to switch over to doing a burn build, but not outside of the realm. Poison items at +3. Slow charge an item could be interesting. Maybe we slot in like a duct tape or something. that's all poison stuff. Except for electric eels. Electric eels not. These are enemies. Slow it. It's interesting. I think that there's some potential like game break stuff that you could do with electric eels. I feel like you need a couple of other pieces though. I think we take the max HP.
Send me your huge items. Price? Don't care.
Want to use a friend. This gains damage. It's good. It's just not what we're doing currently. Metronome is good. Metronome is good.
He actually cares about
Every
this.
time we use an item, we haste another. We have multicast on our soldering guy there, so I feel like we pull out one of these and do something like this. Then we take advantage of the fact that Chris' army knife is both a tool and a friend. He goes on one side, gives it the 3 proc. I think that's good.
Fine, here's some gold.
Alright. Non-weapon item. Ice skills or large items. Large items.
Why so fight?
There's large friends. Enemy has at least 5 items to destroy. When you destroy an item, it's pretty late. 120 damage. It does destroy an item. It's big though. I don't know. Pylon when you slow haste. Ooh. Wait a minute. Pylon combined with our eels?
But thank you.
So eels slow whenever the enemy uses a non-weapon item, which is, you know, fairly common. Let's see. Just have to do some rearranging here. I don't want to like fully go in here. I just want to give it a try and see how it does. We'll put our eels. Alright, so now we slow on a 3-second cooldown. When we slow, we haste. When we haste, we poison. And we slow when the enemy does something as well. Metronome or cog. I think metronome is just more haste overall. Pylon would haste Aiden. Aiden would haste Pylon. I think that's good. Yeah. Uses a weapon, deals 29 damage. Making use of our left-handed as well. So that's cool. So we should have just about... I guess it depends on their board. If they're running all weapons, we're not slowing too much. And they're running a lot of weapons. Not all, they do have port. Look at that.
Like my crew says
That-
at the bar.
That
Another
is
round.
interesting. You know, Dooley, we don't need a core. We do not need a core, apparently. At this point, what do we even want? Maybe... Ugh. I mean, that's good. +4 poison. I'll take it. Haste and charge skills, we love these. Large item haste. Haste freeze. Crit. Give all your items crit when you burn haste. Haste the core specifically. Poison heals can crit. I don't know if the eels can crit. The freeze is just good. Captain's charge we can't really use. I think the freeze is just good. Pharaohs could potentially one-shot us here. Not too confident about beating her. We don't have shielding. I have a lot of healing, but I feel like maybe we just go Enclave. Revenant. He has some interesting items anyways. Poison related. Yep. Got the constant slow, the constant haste, the constant poison. Got up to 600 poison there. When you poison, gain 2 regen. It's interesting. I just feel like us hasting is better. What do we upgrade the eels? Eels are harder for us to find upgrades for. So I think we use it on them. Ooh. Do we have start with a shield? Large item, get a shield. That's good. Non-weapon items would give us upgrades.
Cast aside your destruments.
Fiber optic. When you use your left item, charge your right item. We could. It's just. It's not gonna affect us that much. Like, we're not spamming things. We're actually relying on the enemy to use items. Oddly enough. I don't know if we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna switch back. I feel like this build's pretty good. I think we're running that. We need the haste.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist.
We need the haste just in case they are running full board of weapons or something.
Defeat does
Good
not
deal.
defeat me.
Good deal. Okay. We could get upgrades here.
The seeds, acorns, home.
Nope. And nope.
Am I even a master merchant?
Could look at shield skills again.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does.
Oh. Oh. I think we take Pure Conditioner. When you use the core freeze, we could keep him on our bench. As like an alternative if this like doesn't pan out. Soldering gun is not a friend.
Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
That does upgrade our eels. Just in case we switch back to the core. Now I wonder if sparring partner could be fun. Void Golem could be hard. I think Boss Harrow has some crit stuff. Items have crit chance. Could be good. Nice.
With the gorgons, slimy snakes.
Alright, we have to make decisions here. Can't put it off anymore. Yeah, let's get rid of our non-friends, because if we ever do switch back to enchant with slow effects, ooh. We switch back to the core, we're gonna be running a full board of friends anyways. So, when you haste, heal. So does this become when you haste, slow? Oh no. Okay. Oh no, no, no.
Are you prepared?
Slowest +5. When you slow, gain regen? Oh no. Okay. So I mean, both of these are good, but I feel like we have the damage. Maybe we take the regen.
The Bazaar is a rabid beast.
All right, so
Its master.
our first Aiden is going to slow whenever it gets haste. Our pylon is going to haste whenever we slow. So we have an infinite loop. Look at our first Aiden go, and our pylon. It will not stop. It will keep going. And our regen, as a result, will scale up as well. 128 regen there. And that's all excluding the fact that our eels will slow as well if the enemy uses anything that's not a weapon. And if they use a weapon, we damage them. This is I'm so sorry for whoever has to fight this. We can level up. Yep. Yeah. Why not? Could get upgrades for our friends. For First Aiden, Monitor Lizard. Not sure how much this is gonna matter.
We'll liberate every robot.
Oh, there's a first Aiden. That is good. Oh, we need to sell. Probably COG or GPU and LEDs. Nice. Veteran Octopus, you get us another level if we beat you. Oh my goodness. Just watching this go. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. It's not even just the regen. Like, we scale our regen. Probably HP here. We scale our regen to crazy levels, but we also, every time we slow, we haste. And when we haste, we heal. So every time we slow, we heal, essentially. And every time we haste, we slow. We do have one weapon. Oh, we can do the shield. Another, so we should have 20% now.
Reward the peaceful, punish the...
Do we ever upgrade our monitor lizard, or do we leave him as... Looks like we're leaving him as bronze.
From a negative place.
Well, I think I'm gonna go out a limb here and say that we're probably gonna win this fight. I'm not scared at all.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend.
So to recap, we have haste. That gives us slow. That gives us haste. That gives us heals. That gives us poison. That gives us regen. And it's looping around infinitely.
You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
Alright. Oddly enough, the run when I run dually without a core is, oddly enough, one of the strongest dually runs I've had. Yeah, that was really fun. Infinite loop, unexpected. Getting the eels was a lucky get. But that was really fun. If you enjoyed, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.